Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, October 2nd, 2018. Well, we have some low clouds, some fog, and it's a bit muggy out there as we have a frontal boundary draped over the region. Look for areas of dense fog in some locations reducing visibility below a mile. So definitely be careful out there, especially in the valleys, especially around the Delaware River Valley. It is just muggy, foggy, and a little bit of drizzle and some isolated showers mixed in there as well. Temperatures this morning range from the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s just to the northwest of the major cities, and mid to upper 60s along the coast. Winds are from the south over much of the region, but you can see that stationary boundary producing a little bit more of a northeasterly wind as you head further north. When you take a look at the latest satellite picture, you can see our frontal boundary draped over the regions producing plenty of low and mid-level clouds. To the west, we have an area of low pressure that is approaching with a cold front that is producing scattered showers and thunderstorms over the eastern Great Lakes and the Ohio River Valley that is heading our way for this evening with a few scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms. Some of those thunderstorms may be severe, though, as we head towards the Poconos, the Hudson River Valley, maybe even portions of western New Jersey this evening. When we take a look at the latest surface map, again, here's our frontal boundary stalled out over the region. Here's this low pressure system approaching the region. This low pressure system will travel along this frontal boundary and produce scattered showers and thunderstorms and drop this frontal boundary south briefly for tomorrow, producing a bit cooler weather conditions. It won't last though. This warm weather pattern will be in place for much of the forecast period with a bit of a cool break by the time we get towards the end of this week and the start of this upcoming weekend. We'll talk about that in just a second. In fact, we'll talk about it right now. So for this morning, we have areas of locally dense fog. That fog will give way by this afternoon to scattered broken cloud cover and a few isolated showers. Look for this evening for showers and thunderstorms to approach from the west. As they're approaching, they will be weakening, but watch out for a few severe thunderstorms around the Poconos, the northwestern suburbs of Philadelphia, maybe northwestern New Jersey, the Hudson River Valley. As those thunderstorms get closer to the coast, they will weaken, but they will be capable of some very heavy downpours. Look for highs today in the upper 70s to lower 80s. For tonight, look for that cold front to drop south very slowly through the region. Look for scattered cloud cover with a few isolated showers lingering around, lows in the mid-60s. For tomorrow afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover with temperatures rising into the lower to mid-70s. On Thursday, a frontal boundary will lift northward as a warm front. We have another cold front approaching from the west, more of a southwesterly wind, so look for an increase in humidity. Lows in the lower to mid-50s, but highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. That cold front will move through early Friday morning with a few isolated showers, followed by scattered cloud cover. On Friday, look for lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s and highs only in the upper 60s to lower 70s, mid-60s in a few locations. Now, on Saturday, it's going to get very cool. We're going to have high pressure and complete control with clear skies and light winds. That means in some areas away from the major cities, you have temperatures falling into the upper 40s to lower 50s. Along the coast and in your urban areas, look for lows in the mid to upper 50s. Highs throughout the region in the upper 60s to lower 70s. That cool, crisp air gives away, though, as high pressure exits. A warm front lifts north very quickly through the region, so an isolated shower is possible. For the most part, dry conditions are expected on Sunday. Look for lows in the lower 60s, highs in the mid to upper 70s. And on Monday and Tuesday, that frontal boundary will be hanging around the region, and that's going to lead to the threat for some locally dense fog in the morning, scattered to broken cloud cover in the afternoon with a few isolated showers. Look for lows in the lower to mid 60s, highs in the mid to upper 70s along the immediate coast and over the northern interior, upper 70s to lower 80s everywhere else. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.